You guys know me. You can come this way. It's cool. Come on. Come on. I'm doing the goosey head bob to get them to keep coming. Come on, you guys. Let's see if they usually won't come across the front when I'm sitting here, but there are other geese in the way, so. Now come on, you guys. Come on, you guys. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, look, I actually have some sway. They're confused. Come on, baby geeses. Come on, baby geeses. Come on. Come on. I may not be able to lead the Goose Parade yet, but I'm getting close. Getting close. Come on, goosies. All right, we're gonna try again soon.